This is how your package should look like. Now let's unbox your new machine. You find the machine and every accessory inside the box. We provide quick guides in your desired language. Please read them through. You find the cylinder filter and the air filter in carton boxes. Grab the handles and carefully take the machine out of the box. Your new Hammer Jet Max is almost ready for use. We provide a wrench as well. It is for securing the nozzle on the machine. We also provide a battery charger for your Makita battery. The battery is inside a carton box. You can find Zirocco turbine oil in this canister. Make sure to mix 3 to 5% turbine oil with the fuel. Take the yellow cover off before startup. Secure the nozzle to the machine. Make sure the air filters are in place before startup. The right order is mesh filter, air filter, and cylinder filter. Refuel with diesel EN 590, which you can find at a petrol station or kerosene. Both must be mixed with 3 to 5% turbine oil. Attach the battery. Now you can turn on the display. Make sure to follow our personal protection guidelines. Make sure there is no person or property within 5 meters of the nozzle. Elevate the nozzle before startup. Please note that it can take between 1 to 3 attempts to start a brand new machine.